What's up, everybody? I hope you're doing well. It's time to announce the giveaway winners very soon, but I thought I would film this one just a little bit more vlog style because this is my real life, and sometimes I just feel like I look a little too put together in my YouTube videos, so I thought I'd just let you in on what things actually look like, 98% of the time in my life. If you don't want to see all the vlog stuff and you want to skip to the giveaway part, I've put chapters below so you can skip to that, and maybe I'll put a little timestamp somewhere around here so you can just jump to the winners. All right, here's the situation. So my daughter's hanging out on the floor. I am choosing not to show my kids' faces on the internets because that's my prerogative. So she's hanging out on the floor, and actually what I'm up to is pouring all of her milk bottles for the next 24 hours. This is my boob milk because she has a bad latch, so all of her milk comes from pumped milk. If any of you other mamas out there are exclusively pumpers, fist bump, fist bump. P.S. This is called the pitcher method. If you are pumping your milk, this made my life a whole bunch easier. Yep. Done. 1 day's worth of milk from my baby. The rest is going in the freezer. My daughter usually only will play it for about 10 minutes on the playmat, and then that happens, so I'll be right back. Hi, friend. You ready for Mama to hold you? This is how we spend like 95% of the day. If I'm not pumping or feeding her and it's not nighttime, this is where she's at. She's got a special harness for hip dysplasia. That's what that is. You want to see a picture of real life here? Hold on. There's my sink. It looks like that most of the time these days. My husband got these for me. For gluten-free. They're good. I don't buy them for myself because I eat them in like a day, like the whole box. It's the little joys in life. All right. Here's some more of that mess, by the way. Let's do this. Oh, Sobi, you want to say hi? Are you not getting focused on? But you're the star of the show. Yeah. Gonna go into my office in a bit. P.S. You want to see my outfit of the day? Hold on. Oh yeah. These are shorts, but nothing about this makes sense, but it is what it is. Do you want to go out? Go pups. I'm gonna put on some makeup, eat some more of these, and I'll see you in a sec. That's better. Good, good. Good girl, it's hot outside. It's 90 degrees out here today, but I'm gonna turn the AC off just for you so you can hear me a little better. I still have some Pepsi left from this morning. And yeah, I drank that Pepsi at like 10 a.m. Oh, that's better lighting. Hey there. Hey, good lighting. Oh, I came up here to turn off the AC, and then when I got up here, I thought about lattes. So we're gonna do that. Hits the spot every time. All right, I'm ready to figure out who won this giveaway. I went upstairs to turn off the AC and I made a latte and I did not turn off the AC. Got my priorities straight. I don't have any of my lights set up. I don't have my microphone set up. I'm using my casual lens, which doesn't make me look as cute. Whoa, sorry. All right, so now it's time to get to the actual announcement of the giveaway winners part of this video, which is the whole point of this video. I don't know why I decided to make it a vlog. Why not, I guess. Anywho, let's get to the giveaway winners. First, thank you to all of you who commented to enter the giveaway. At first I was trying to keep up with all your comments, responding, liking your comments, and then there were so many I couldn't keep up with all of them, but I'm so grateful for all of you, and all of you are entered who asked to be entered. In order to truly randomly select the winner for this giveaway, I'm using a tool called commentpicker.com. I've used it for a giveaway in the past and it works really well. So let's go ahead and enter the URL for my YouTube video into this website and see who it magically pulls out of the hat for the random winners of the giveaway. I'm excited. Let's do it. According to commentpicker.com, 318 unique folks entered comments to enter the giveaway on this video. My goodness. So here we go. Let's pick some winners. Drum roll, please. Winner number 1, stay-at-home mom. Ooh, I like your YouTube handle. We would like to enter the giveaway. This would be such a blessing. What a little cutie. I loved wearing my babies. Thanks, stay-at-home mom, and congratulations to you for winning this giveaway. I'm going to comment on your original comment with instructions on what to do next so that you can access the bundle of 4 products that I'm giving away. But congratulations to you. I'm so excited. Even more exciting is the fact that I get to pick 2 more giveaway winners. Let's pick another winner. Lynn. Congratulations, Lynn. Lynn says in her comment, I'd like to enter the giveaway. I've been rewatching your videos over and over while I'm at the gym. Oh, go Lynn, look at you, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Your videos are so engaging that it helps the time fly by. Oh, thanks, Lynn. I'm not even a therapist, but your information works for me and my endeavors as well. I have been surprised to find that so many folks who aren't therapists are finding my tools helpful as well. It makes sense. They apply kind of to pretty much any business. So congratulations, Lynn. I'll comment on your comment. Be sure to check for that. But you just won my little bundle of products. All right, and it's time for one more winner. I love just clicking this button and just seeing the winners pop up. So here we go. Helen Kim, I would love to be considered for the giveaway. Your resources would be so helpful as I build my practice. Oh, I couldn't agree more. My daughter agrees as well, and congratulations, Helen. You are the 3rd winner of this giveaway. You know what? I'm feeling kind of spicy. Should we pick a 4th winner? Just cause I can, and I want to. And I'm already here, and I could just click the button and make a 4th winner. Should we do it? I did not pre-plan that at all, I swear. We're gonna pick a 4th winner. Let's do it. Natalie Jasmine, congratulations, Natalie. Oh, she says in her comment, congratulations, I just had my 2nd, a girl as well, in March. Congratulations. Woohoo. And she says, of course, I would love to enter this giveaway. Hearts emoji. Congratulations, Natalie. You are the bonus 4th winner of this giveaway. And my daughter is very excited for you and your daughter as well. So make sure all of y'all who won this giveaway, check for my response to your comments in the original giveaway video that you entered. And I'm gonna give you more instructions for what to do next in order to access the bundle of products. I'll link to the prior video if you're curious to learn about the different products that I offered in this giveaway, because they are still available to everyone, and I'm not gonna lie, they are very affordable, and I'm so proud of that. So if you didn't win the giveaway, you might still enjoy some of those products. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna keep sipping on my latte. I'm gonna comment on your comments, and I'm gonna edit this video and see if I can get it out today. I'm filming this on Monday at 1. So, you know, hopefully, I don't know. Y'all are cool. Thanks for watching my videos. I don't really have anything else fancy to say. And until next time, from one therapist to another, I wish you well. Oh, and P.S. congratulations to the winners. Did I not say that? I think I did, but congrats.